Hey, we're back in the shop today. Today we're going to be working on those skid steer forks. It was in my last video. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but I'm going to be putting some new pieces on the very top of the forks that accepts a 1.5 inch bar. That's this piece right here. I'm going to be boring these out to 1.5 inches so so that guy can get a little bit heavier a bar in there. The bar that he's previously using, it keeps bending. It's a little bit smaller. And he just wants it to kind of be a little more heavy duty. So we're going to see what we can do. Y'all stick with me. We're about to get on the lathe. We are 1.421. We're at 1.470, so we're getting close. So now I should be pretty close to 1.5 exactly. We're gonna see right quick. Yeah, I'm about 5 thousandths off. Okay, so I'm close. Okay, I got a piece of bar right here that we can test with. Yeah, that's pretty good. That should work. That's plenty to where you can slide the forks real good, and it's got just enough play in it that it won't cause major problems. And this bar is big enough that it can support it. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to get this measurement one more time. That way we can, yeah. Basically 1.55. Yep. All right, that's gonna be our total. Okay, we got this, this piece right here should be completely done. We got 1.55 inches on both sides. So we're gonna take it out right here. Let y'all have a look at it. Yep. That's looking good. We got 1.55 both sides. So we're all squared away. I'm going to show y'all the my test piece. So here's my test fit. So we've got good. He should be able to slide the forks very good on the bar. Shouldn't have any issues. So I think that's going to work perfect. Now we got to get another one cut out. I had this piece just laying on the ground, which just so happened to work out perfect. So we're going to have to make another one of these from scratch. So let's get started on that project. Okay, we're going to get this bigger piece, this bigger piece of steel loaded. we're gonna get this piece cut off so we can stick it in the lathe and duplicate that part we just made. So let's get started cutting. All right, we got it cut off. So now it's time to stick it in the lathe and get started. Okay, so this is what we got. This is the piece we just cut off, a solid bar stock. This is the piece we gotta make. So we've gotta take it down the outside diameter, we gotta bring it down, and then we've gotta bore through and make our inside diameter. So we got a lot of lathing to do, so I'm probably going to time lapse most of this because it's going to be long. So we'll get back with you here in just a second. Okay, I'm getting this new piece set up in the lathe here, so I'm going to try to get it a little closer. We're about 20 thousandths now, but I want it just a little bit closer than that. So let's see what we can do. That's pretty close. That's about 6, 7. That should do it right there. Now we're going to face this thing off, put a clean edge on it so I can get started and have a good starting point. Okay, we've got our tool set in here now. We're going to face this thing off, get it good and flat. Now we got it good and faced off, good and clean. Okay, I need my bar over here to be 4 1/4 inches long, so that's how much I'm going to turn down to get my correct OD. So I've got these calipers here that I've set up on a magnet system that whenever I move the slide, it stays. So I've got magnets under here holding it to the ways, and then I've got a magnet here holding it to the carriage. So whenever I move it, it tells me exactly how far I'm going. So I'm gonna move down here to 4 1/4 and set my stopper. There we go, 4 1/4. All right, I'm gonna set my stopper so I can't go past that, and then that'll be my overall dimensions. So I'm just gonna show y'all my digital setup here. Okay, we got our piece. There's my dad over there in the back. He's the one who made all this happen a long time ago, taught me everything I know. So, all right, so I've got my pieces set up on top right here. So there's the finished. This is just a, this right here is just a piece to help me keep it square on the face of the fork. So, all right, I'm gonna set this thing up and get it tacked on and get that piece of flat bar off the face. Okay, I got that tacked. Now I can I can take this clamp off. All right, now we're just ready to weld, and then we're gonna put a gusset on the front. So, all right, we got it repositioned. Now we're gonna put a few passes in here. Okay, so a root pass. We'll cap it with a couple more. Then we're gonna flip it over. That should do the job on the front side, and on the back side we're going to put a gusset on there as well. So we should have it all ready to go. We'll clean this up right here. We'll lay it just like that and weld it all up. And we'll have a good sturdy union here. Okay, we're all finished up with this one. Got this welded, this side welded, that back side welded. And then over here, we filled in those holes. So this right here, this fork's done. Okay, we're gonna get this piece set up on here and get it clamped on so I can get it square and get it tacked. Now I'm ready to weld. All right, we're gonna get this cleaned up right here. Get this other. Okay, folks, there you go. That's second fork's complete now. So we're gonna do a test fit on this bar. Just make sure. Yep. All right. I'll get them set up over here so y'all can see them. Okay, here's the finished product right here. We got our new pieces, with our plates on the front. Got our bar, the bar he's gonna use, put in there. We left the back clean with just the triple pass weld because there's some pieces on the back side that could possibly interfere with it moving. So yeah, so that's it. Complete skid steer forks.